Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 17 nautical miles north of New Buffalo, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect wind gusts to 40 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency and ask them to relay your report to the National Weather Service office.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana